On October 5th, 2024, Space.com, Tech Radar, and the U.S. Space Force held a competition where the future of tech is put to the ultimate test. We bring you Code and Construct.
For the last 25 years, we've had pretty much one mission, which is to bring space down to Earth for everyone else to enjoy. This event in particular really is geared at practicing the systems that you would need to control space communications, satellite communications, secure communications as well, which is going to become more important.
So the hackathon portion of the competition is going to be in this room. On the other side of the conference hall is the PC building competition. The judges are myself, John Loeffler from Tech Radar, Sergeant Arrett, and Captain Elsarelli. My other two co-developers, Justin and Andrew.
In events like this, you have people who, by nature, they're curious. You don't become a hacker because you follow a script. You become a hacker because you like to poke and prod and figure out how things work, why things work, where the holes are, what can you exploit. Not necessarily to a negative end, you're just curious. Cyber doesn't exist without space, and space doesn't exist without cyber. I believe that the next war will begin and be fought primarily in cyberspace.
In the hackathon, coders were tasked with developing a secure and resilient satellite communication system.
The start of this, it came down to it being about what do we want to see in a hackathon that relates to the Space Force. For that, the idea of satellite data came to us. That we figured was going to be the easiest for students to understand the complexity of it. So we integrated satellite data into APIs to make them interact with students in whatever way possible, whether them build a web app, an iPhone app, stuff like that.
In the PC build race, teams of 2 build gaming PCs using only provided parts.
We have 2 teams of 2 competitors who are going to be taking place in a PC build competition. They're going to build one of these Corsair build kit computers, complete with all components, make sure the build is nice and clean. They will be judged both on their build presentation as well as completeness.
There's a GeForce RTX 4060 and an i5 Intel Core processor. Bunch of pieces to put into these builds, but after we finish the competition for how quickly and how cleanly they can build these PCs, we're gonna move over to the Minecraft component where we're gonna construct some houses inside the game.
Both teams will have to face a judge's critique in the end to figure out who ultimately wins the PC build race competition.
These are the final seconds. Every move counts. And the winner is crowned! 2 teams stand above the rest as Code and Construct champions.
Without events like this, students today may not know just how flexible and how tailored a future they could find in whatever industry they want.
Code and Construct, where tech meets competition. Stay tuned for more from Tech Radar Gaming and Space.com. Sponsored by the U.S. Space Force.